A major story just unfolded in the markets that every retail investor should understand. Medline's IPO has become the biggest stock market debut of 2025, and it's already moving markets in a way most people aren't talking about yet. After years as a private company owned by big private equity firms like Blackstone and Carlyle, Medline raised roughly $6.26 billion in its initial public offering, pricing shares at about $29 apiece and quickly jumping sharply on its first day of NASDAQ trading. This wasn't just another listing. It's now the largest IPO in the US since early 2021, and it opened with strong demand from institutional investors and retail participation. What makes Medline different from many tech debuts is that it's rooted in stable, essential demand. The company manufactures and distributes hundreds of thousands of medical and surgical supplies used by hospitals, clinics, and healthcare systems worldwide. For retail investors, the heat around Medline matters for several reasons. First, the size of this IPO shows public markets still have strong appetite for large, established businesses, even after years of volatility. Second, Medline's sharp debut gain suggests that well-priced offerings with real revenue and global reach can still generate upside early on. But this isn't a tech fad. It's a company with decades of consistent growth and a business model that doesn't rely solely on hype. However, there are risks. Because much of the IPO proceeds are being used to pay down significant debt, future earnings growth will depend on continuing to win market share and control costs. That means retail investors should watch how the stock trades beyond its debut day and how the company performs on fundamentals, not just the initial pop. The bottom line? Medline's IPO isn't just a headline. It's a signal that deeply rooted, real-world businesses with strong recurring demand can still thrive in public markets, and it sets the tone for other big listings expected in 2026. For retail investors thinking beyond short-term spikes, this is one to watch closely.